Welcome to our channel, where we quench your thirst for knowledge with mind-blowing facts, fascinating general knowledge, and brain-bending riddles. Join us on a journey through the depths of history, the mysteries of science, and the wonders of the world. Get ready to have your mind blown with mind-boggling information that will leave you craving for more. Hello friends! We all studied in our childhood about 3 states of matter: solid, liquid, and gas. If we talk about water, the 3 states of matter of water are ice, liquid water, and gaseous water vapor. If something is converted from one state to another, that process has a name. When ice turns into water, the process is called melting. If water turns into ice, then it is called freezing. If water turns into water vapor, it is evaporation or vaporization. And if water vapor turns back into water, it is known as condensation. If water vapor turns into ice is called deposition, and sublimation is vice versa. What happens if there is a lot of water vapor in the air? If there is a lot of water vapor in the air, then we will say that there is a lot of humidity in the air. Lesser water vapor content means lower humidity. Now, when this water vapor rises in the atmosphere, as you know, the higher we go from the ground, with the increase of altitude, the colder it gets. Like, it is very cold in the mountains. Now, when this water vapor is at a higher altitude, it condenses due to cold. This water vapor turns into water. Extremely small, tiny water droplets. When these water droplets are suspended in the air, we see clouds. Actually, these are clouds. These small water droplets that make up the clouds are minuscule. So small that their diameter is 1/100th of a millimeter. And there are millions of such droplets in a cloud. If a cloud is at an even higher altitude, the atmosphere is even colder. This means that not only does it condense, but it also freezes. These water droplets turn into tiny crystals of ice, and these ice crystals form the clouds. So, in this sense, there are 2 types of clouds. One is made of water droplets, and the other is made of ice crystals. The difference between the 2 can be easily seen. The ice crystal clouds are at a higher altitude. You cannot see a clear boundary line, and they are thinner. The heavy clouds that are closer to the ground are made of water droplets. Now that we have understood this, the next question is, how do these clouds rain? What happens is that these small droplets, when they keep accumulating, more droplets keep joining in, the clouds keep getting bigger. These small droplets start colliding with each other, they mix with each other and form big droplets. These big droplets go up into the atmosphere and freeze to form ice crystals, but the ice crystals also collide into each other to form bigger ice crystals. This process continues until the ice crystals become so big that they start falling on the ground due to their weight. And when this happens, the ice crystals fall on the ground. While falling down, if the temperature of the air is cold, then they will fall like snow. That's called snowfall. If the air near the ground is warm, the ice crystals will melt and fall like rain droplets. This is how it rains.